Hi, this is Chris at NAB 2026, and I'm here today to tell you about Sony's new spatial capture solution. Spatial capture solution exists in three parts. First component is a Navi app, which is utilizing a Sony Alpha camera combined with a smartphone, and the smartphone creates an AR experience that guides the user through how to take photos to create a Gaussian splat. You simply line the target up with the little shape that's created. It'll highlight green, and then the camera will take the picture automatically, and the phone will keep track of where you've taken your photos. So that way it actually saves you time and keeps you on track and keeps you from duplicating efforts. Once the phone has actually guided you through the process and you've taken all the pictures that you need, you move on to the second portion of the product, which is our Spatial Scan web application, which is what we have here. Spatial Scan web application, you simply create a project, then you upload the photos that you just took from your phone and your camera onto the web. You can go through then preview all the photos that you took, so you can see all the photos that we took here. And then when you go back in the model, you can select it, and then in the web application, it'll give you a preview that you can actually navigate in real time in 3D. So you can see I can look around, I can move around it, and I can check to verify that the content that I just created is going to be adequate for what we're looking to do with this project. So the third portion is the Spatial Renderer Plugin for Unreal Engine. And so Unreal Engine does not natively support splats, which the output of the second application I just showed you is a POI, so it's a standard file format. So it's nothing new, it's everything that is within the workflow you're already using. And now we're just enabling you to utilize it easier in Unreal. And so when you utilize the plugin, you can actually see on the screen here, we actually have a splat that we brought in, and then you have the ability to modify colors, change lighting, bring in 3D mesh objects to interact in the scene, and all that works within the natural workflow of Unreal Engine, and you have all those tools at your disposal. If you want to find out more, you can go to pro.sony. Thank you.